So I'm staying at the Harbourview Hotel in Macau, right behind the Fisherman Wharf. This is my room. I think there's a double bed, 2 people room. You come in here, get your little morning coffee set stuff. Room is definitely bigger than the other room, probably more expensive. I forgot how much this costs, but you can go to the hotel, look it up. I'm sure they got different prices for a different time of the year. So room's pretty good, not bad. Got your TV over here, pretty nice size TV. Got your work desk over here. Sorry man, messy. I stayed here last year, so I'm pretty familiar with the room layout. This little area over here, some rooms have this, some room doesn't. The one I stayed at last year did not have this. So a small little balcony, have a really nice view. Over here is a sand casino. So pretty nice view. Got my bed, you got a chair over here. You got another chair that I use right here to put my luggage on. Then you got your outlet. Make sure you bring an international converter or whatever. They do have one on each side of the bed, so that's cool. Bed is pretty nice and firm. You do get 2 pillows. Really nice, I like it. Got pretty decent space, between each bed, so really roomy. Over there, you got your other charger, not charger, but outlet. You do have your light switch too, over there by the bed, so you can turn off the light. That's the door right there where I just came from. Then you got the restroom. Restroom is definitely a lot bigger and better than the last one. Got your door here. The one I stayed at last year, the water kept leaking out over there, but this year seems to be okay, so I think that's depending on the room. And you got your little bathtub over here too. You do get 2 towels, and you do get I guess a smaller body towel, and you do get a face towel over here too. So that's pretty cool. Got a rack over here. Oh, this is cool. I think mine is broken. Okay, this is broken. I don't know how this works. Oh, so good. Yeah, baby. You want to see me shower? Sure. Let me show you how I shower. Yeah, so you got this thing right here. The handle's broken, man. So I gotta pull the string. But yeah, so it opens up. That's pretty cool. Got a pretty big size mirror over here. Got your napkin, give you a bar of soap. What's this? Shower cap. What's this one? Vanity set. What's this one? Sanitary bag. I don't know what the hell sanitary bag is. Pretty sure this is toothbrush. Or dental kit. Yeah, toothbrush. Shaving kit. Ooh, they give you shaving kit. Damn, I didn't use that. Got comb. So they give you shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner, and it's this brand. This is the body lotion. We're already using it. I don't want to go in there. But yeah, it's pretty good. I like the hotel. Gives you a lot of free stuff. I'm interested in this shaving kit, man. What the shaving kit got? Oh, we got shaving cream. Oh man, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm sorry for being so shaky right now. I'm just trying to put that back up. That's cool, man. They give you a bunch of free stuff. What's in here? I got your blow dryer. That one's locked. They even give you a scale, so you can see how much you ate and how fat you got. Oh my god, I bet you need so much this trip. Yeah, I guess you got a phone right there in case you get stuck in the toilet, so you can call room service to get you out. But yeah, this hotel's pretty nice. It's big. Not as nice as some of the casinos, that's for sure, but it's doable. I like it, it's comfortable. I'm happy with this room. I don't remember how much I paid. This because I was splitting it. It's a package deal, so it's really hard to calculate how much I paid for it. But I like it. It's roomy. The bed is not as big as those American beds. You know, those hotel beds in America, but these rooms are usually double occupancy, meaning 2 people per room. You know, in America, you usually got like 4 people per room, so the bed's a little bit bigger. But yeah, so I am rooming with another person. I can't afford to room by myself. I wish I could. Be a whole lot better, but you know, I ain't rich like that, man. So I realized earlier in the room tour, I forgot to show this stuff. You got a bunch of shelves over here so you can put stuff. Once again, in my other video, I don't know who actually uses the shelves to put stuff, but you know, you do have your coat hangers here, which is pretty useful, obviously. I haven't seen this. Oh, it comes with a flashlight. Damn, I never seen this before. That's pretty cool. Come with a flashlight. And of course, you know, you get your robe. You get a robe. Oh, that's my French shirts. But yeah, you get 2 robes. Pretty nice. Get slippers. Got a safe. This safe is actually locked down, so this is useful to use. Then you get your, you got more toilet paper here. Got a sewing kit right here. Yeah. I guess my roommate actually uses it. Funny. But I don't use that shit. I guess he does though. But yeah, man, there's cleaning people actually came by, so you know, and refilled my stuff. So this is a shampoo, just so I can see it. Conditioner, shower gel, and I had already showed you this body lotion earlier, and I'm very interested to see what the hell is a vanity kit. I never knew what a vanity kit is. Oh, this is vanity kit. Okay. That's cool. Sanitary bag. The hell's a sanitary bag? Barf bag? It's literally just a bag. I guess it's a barf bag. I feel bad for the vase. Plastic, I don't know what to do with it now. I guess I gotta throw it away. But yeah, see, they give you your bath. That's a dish towel. That's my roommate towels, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, man. You know, to make your bed all nice and stuff. I laid down earlier and I was thinking I forgot to show some extra stuff, so decided to record some more stuff. So I think breakfast does come with the room. I think you gotta pay $10 extra though, so I guess it doesn't come with the room. I guess if you gotta pay $10 extra, it doesn't come with the room, I guess. But like I said, I'm doing a package deal, so I don't know. They do have lunch buffet and dinner buffet, and they have all kind of restaurants here too. I'm not gonna do a whole hotel tour because honestly, I'm running out of memory on my SD card. I only got 132 gigs left, and I still need to record a competition. So maybe on Monday, if I still have some space on my memory card, I will record it. But on that, I'm just gonna do a room tour. But let's see what happens. But this hotel is pretty nice. You do have a gym. You do have a swimming pool. I may show that later if possible. Yeah, the location is okay. It's right by Harbourview Casino, so if you like gambling, then this is a good location. But I think that's it for now. I can't think of anything else. You know, hope you. Well, you can't see anything. Hold on, there you go. Alright, man. But for real, sheesh. Hope you enjoyed the room tour. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see next time, and I can show you, man. Thanks for the support, man. As always, peace. Can't talk by now. Peace out.